feels thick. Like that, but oh god. Here they are. That might take a little bit. Alright, so this is all the stuff it came with. Some decals. Cool. I'll pretty much it with that. I'm assuming this is the adhesive. And I'm assuming these are for, you stick the letters on here, I would assume. No idea. Yeah, obviously that's what that is. And then here's the tire letters, which it says Challenger on the top and the bottom, so this is what they're gonna look like before they go in the car. I just want to see what they would look like. And I counted them all out right here. Alright, so what are we doing today, hun?
Putting the tire letters on and taking these tires off.
Alright, got all these letters organized. Got one wheel off. About to put some degreaser because there's definitely tire shine on here, greasy. Alright guys, so we used the degreaser, a brush, scrubbed it. They sent us some sandpaper. And I think I pretty much got it decent. There's really not any grease really barely on the tire at all. It just looks, it's just a brand new tire, so it looks good. So now let's apply the letters. Alright guys, so sorry I'm looking a little rough today, but I got the letters on. They're not glued, but it's just a stencil, but damn, if these don't look good, I don't know what does.
There you are.
Alright guys, so technically you're supposed to be using like a stencil, little, whatever you call it, they gave me, but I said fuck that, and I did it my own way. So basically, it's not really that hard. It just takes more time consuming, honestly. But look at how close it is on the other side. But, my friends, it's actually not really that difficult. See, even if you mess up, see I just fucked up right there? Yeah, you see that? I fucked up big time. Even if you mess up, there's room for forgiveness. Alright guys, so this came out super, super good. I'm so proud of myself, and God, this just, I was going to go with the white, but then I decided to go with the red, because red's my favorite color. You know, cool stuff. Anyways, but this, it just looks so good. Oh my God, it looks so sexy. Let me get it close up. They still got to kind of, you know, they're like kind of glued to it obviously, but I'm going to leave them out in the sun and let it really bake. Putting the tire on the car. Be careful now. Alright, so this is the back set. Front set's already done. Back set. About to add some of the letters. Got the backs on, just tightening them up now. Alright, so we got the right backside tire. They're all done now. This is about. Alright, so that was the last one. Here's the other side. Kind of not a lot of room in the garage right now to film, but what do you think?
I think it looks pretty good. I think it definitely looked better than I thought it was going to be.
Really? Why do you say that?
I didn't think it was going to look that good, but it does look
So you let me order them and put them on the car.
It's your car.
I know, but I asked for your input.
Well, I didn't think it was going to look, you know, like, I was like, eh. Because I'm not a real big fan of tire letters, but it actually looks pretty good. So
we're going to put some on Maggie, right?
Yeah, maybe some NASCAR looking ones like Cletus McFarland's got on his Dale truck.
There's old Maggie right there.